Hi, this is Joan Pratt with RE/MAX Professionals, and we have an awesome new listing to show you. This is 13273 Furrow Street, which you can get to two different ways off of Highway 25. One is off of County Line and the second is off of Greenland exit. So come check it out. We're on almost 10 acres. This property is really unique. It used to be a llama, like a prize-winning llama farm. And so there is a barn that could be converted easily to horses, or you can bring some llamas back if you like. It has in-ground watering system in it, and there's also a secondary building, which is a Morton building. So for those of you that have heard that name before, you know that stands for good quality construction. And so we have a gigantic Morton building on here that we're currently using as a garage. It does have cement slab floors in it. But the house itself, normally you get all this other good stuff and the house itself is kind of meh. In this case, the house is beautiful too, so it will not disappoint. The house is a ranch and it has a finished walkout basement. Attached to it, it has an RV garage. How cool is that? So you also get the fenced backyard for your little furry kids. And the big furry ones get to go in the barn. There's plenty of runs and paddocks there for them. But the views are just absolutely breathtaking. And the sunsets and the sunrises, that is what this property is all about. So come on, let's take a look. The kitchen was recently renovated and we have new slab granite in here and a beautiful tile backsplash. This oversized island is also perfect for Super Bowl parties, and you can line up all the food on this giant island, or what I would do is I would bake pies and roll out the dough, and you'd have plenty of space for all of your baking needs in this kitchen as well. The master closet comes complete with a full-length mirror, and it even has a window, so you can tell the difference of your socks being blue or if they're black because you have natural light. How cool is that? The secondary master suite downstairs is currently being used for a home gym. There's even a little nook for your yoga classes. Well, was this your dream home? There are no HOAs here, and you can do whatever you want on your land. How does that sound? If that's something that sounds like where you want to be and this house looks like someplace you might want to live, reach out to us. We would love to schedule your private showing for you. If this isn't your dream home and you're still looking, maybe you could pass this on to a friend or someone that might be looking for something just like this. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.